Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings. So in this session, I'm going to explain you how to introduce yourself in human capital management, Oracle Fusion Cloud human capital management. For example, let's say your profile is showing that you are working in Fusion Cloud HCM, human capital management, having 4 years of experience, and you are passed out your graduation in 2018. And so far, you have completed 4 projects out of four, two implementations and two supports. And of course, you are working in the four modules, let's say global HR, payroll, absence management, talent management. This is about the modules which you are working, and this is about number of years which you are working, and this is the technology which you are working, and this is about your graduation which has been completed. This is about number of projects you have involved in your experience. Out of that, how many implementations and how many support. So this is the profile, let's say. Okay. So for this profile, how we have to introduce? So introduction is very important. Maybe you are going to showcase your experience or you are really working last 4 years. So it doesn't matter because end of the day, it's knowledge and skill is the matter, right? So how you are going to project yourself? Because the introduction itself will make you 20 to 25% of success rate, the way how you are going to introduce. This is very important. Everyone will have different types of introductions. One of the best introduction I'm going to tell you. So of course, you can go for add some of the things if required for this, or you can also go ahead with removing some of the points which are not required. What I'm going to explain here. Okay, but this is what I found better introduction to the interviewer about our education, about our experience, about the number of projects, and what is the current status. Okay.
Hi. Before we continue with the current topic, we'll have a small announcement. Today we are going to start with our Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM Cloud with Redwood and artificial intelligence. Complete end-to-end implementation training we are going to start. Myself, this is Chandra, having 15 years of experience in Oracle Fusion Cloud as well as in Oracle ERP technologies. I have 45,000 YouTube subscribers. You can check it from RTL Online Trainings and Placements YouTube channel, and 40,000 plus Udemy students. We delivered successfully 100 plus batches and more than 3,000 students placed from 2020. And we are going to conduct 3 free demo sessions from today, 27th April 2026, 7 p.m. IST. And this is our Zoom link. If you have any doubts, you can communicate in the below WhatsApp numbers regarding the Zoom link or any other details. You can contact on them. So in this training, we are going to give complete project-oriented training with the latest version of Oracle Fusion Cloud with resume preparation, interview preparation, and we are going to provide FAQ courses, means video sessions, which will give you how you can easily clear the interviews, how you can go for clear the interviews, how you have to speak professionally when you are going to apply as experienced consultant. So this course is going to be useful for the people who are trying to transform their career from non-IT to IT, people who are working in HR department. If you want to upgrade your skills to the cloud HCM with artificial intelligence, and people who are working in as a fresher Python or JavaScript developers, then you can easily go ahead with this particular Oracle Fusion Cloud and from the Oracle EBS background also. Thank you. Let's continue with the current session.
So we have to introduce ourselves like I'm working with Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Capital Management, and I've been working with Oracle Fusion Cloud in HCM 4 years, right? And BTech passed out. That's what our uh, profile is showing. Okay. So what we have to do is we need to start with our graduation education. After that, total number of years experience in which technology, okay, and then total number of projects involved. Out of that, how many implementation and support, what modules you have been involved. So that's how we have to go with the sequence. That's how we have to go with the sequence. Okay. So we have to say like that. So myself, this is Ramesh. I have completed my graduation in 2018, passed out. After completion of my graduation, I have learned Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. I got an opportunity as a fresher in the initial stage. And last 4 years, I have involved in the two implementations and two support projects in cloud HCM as a functional consultant. And as a functional consultant in implementation, I worked with global HR, payroll options, and talent management. And I also worked with the support of global HR as well as the options management. These two modules I have support experience also. And current project which I'm working is started around 1 year back. Initially, just started with the implementation. After completion of the implementation, we are providing the support also for the client. I'm also the part of support. Earlier, I was a part of an implementation team. So for this particular client, I'm working as an support right now in global HR as well as in options management module. In these two modules, I'm providing the support. We'll be receiving the tickets from the clients and we're going to resolve. That's how we have to go for explain. Okay. So then they'll ask you very high level, okay, tell me which module and which tasks. So this all they'll go ahead with module wise. Module wise, they'll go for start. So indirectly, we are projecting that when did you completed your graduation, highest qualification. After that, if you have any, for example, you might have worked as a 3 years or 1 year as a recruiter, HR recruiter, you have worked. So after that, in 2019, you have started your journey in cloud HCM. Okay. And you are working in all this 4 years here. So that time, what you have to do is, I myself, this is Ramesh. I have completed my graduation in 2018. After completion of my graduation, I started working as a HR recruiter. I worked around 1 year as HR recruiter. Then I came to know that it's a good HCM cloud product is there from the Oracle Corporation. So I thought of it make my career into different levels in the IT industry. So I started learning the cloud HCM. I have learned around 3 to 4 months. Then I got an opportunity as a fresher in the initial stage with so and so company. Then I started in the initially support project. After 6 months, then I started involving in the implementation also. I have involved last 4 years, total 4 projects, two implementation and two support. And modules which I have involved is global HR, payroll options, and talent management. And all these modules, I'm flexible to work as an implementation as well as in the support. Now, current project which I'm working is so and so client, and last 1.5 year I'm working with this client. In this client, I started as a consultant in implementation. After implementation, support is going on. I'm also the part of support. Right now, I'm working in options management related for the employees and employee absences. The moment when we receive the ticket, we'll just go through the description of the ticket and also we'll try to identify the problem and immediately we'll update the ticket status saying that in progress, and then we'll start working with the ticket and we'll go for close. That is how the work culture is going on with current project. So this way you can go for explain. Then they'll come up, okay, who is your client, which modules you are working and which modules you are strong. Can you tell me some issues which you have faced during that module implementation or some support issues? And general standard questions will get it from the application point of view. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe for this channel if you are not subscribed to get the latest information about the Oracle Cloud as well as Oracle EBS Technical. Thank you.